Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best Flux Core Welder. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5, Brand Name, HZX Vaughan. Model Number, MiG 185-2. HZX VOGEN MiG 185-2 MiG welder came with color LED panel. It makes the setting parameter very easy to read. Easy carrying handle, compact design, easy for translation and storage. Very convenient, can be used anywhere you need. HZX Vaughan MiG 185-2 professional MiG welding machine supports gas, mixed gas and gasless function. This inverter machine easily works with 0.8. 1.0 mm solid, flux wire perfectly weld 1 to 8 mm thickness workpiece. The wire speed and output voltage will be auto-matched by adjusting current. Little splash, deep bath and smooth wire feeding bring you beautiful welding seam. Its strong anti-electricity fluctuation ability and high energy storage ability can stabilize output current. Number 4. Brand Name, Andeli. Model Number, MiG 270 TPL. MiG 270 TPL is a 200 ampere 4-in-1 welding machine, suitable for MMA, lift TIG, MIG, cold, with strong operability and meeting various needs. This machine is loved by many people. With core cold welding technology, independent research and development, it is a unique technology that makes welding more efficient and more satisfying. The welding effect of stainless steel is silver white weld bead in cold welding mode. The core cold welding technology, exquisite weld bead, the welding point temperature is low, the deformation is small, the color of the stainless steel welds is silvery white, suitable for long distance welding of long seam. No need to press the gun switch all the time when welding, relieving the fatigue of your finger. Number 3, Brand Name, Hitbox. Model Number, SIN MiG 200 Pro. Equipped with a smart digital LCD display and the welding parameter is built in with precise data. It will choose the voltage, amperage and feeding speed that is needed based on welder data, making it much easier for new welders. Hitbox SIN MiG 200 Pro has a built-in mute device. No noise will be emitted after startup and no vibration. MiG welder has the function of high-efficiency welding and noise purification. Hitbox IGBT inverter welders is equipped with VRD function. Turning on this function could prevent welders from getting an electric shock while working in a humid environment. Just select the setting to turn it on or off. Also you could set the unit of metal material. The arc welding machine has a built-in protection device, and the engine will automatically shut down when overheated and overload. No noise when the welding machine exceeds a certain temperature, the fan will start. Can be used with spool gun. Its welding molten is beautifully formed, more stable arc is. Smaller spatter, no stick. Extending the power cord by 160 feet can also resist cable attenuation and still allow the machine to work normally. MiG 200 Pro 3-in-1 multi-process synergic welder is powerful helper in welding. The IGBT inverter technology provides high power in a light, compact unit. It's designed for hardware, decoration, car modification, equipment and factory maintenance. These units are capable of performing MIG, arc and lift TIG. Insert smart chip, cooler welder rapidly. When there is something stuck in the machine, It will power off automatically to protect welding machine being damaged from overheating. Number 2. Brand name, Doogee. Model number, Flux 135. Equipped with smart digital display, read the output welding current. 2T operation, suitable for spot welding and simple work. Come with a safety feature that the welding machine is automatically protect when it at too hot or the volt and current exceeds their range. Multi-functions in one machine, suitable for stick, lift TIG, gasless MIG, best choice for steel works. Come with a safety feature that the welding machine is automatically protect when it at too hot or the volt and current exceeds their range. Powered by standard 220 volt household current. Comes with a modern aluminum handle grip, making it easy for you to carry anywhere you want. Up to 135 ampere output current that can weld mild steel up to 4 mm plate. Number 1. Brand name, Andeli. Model number, MiG 250ME. Andeli Flux Core Welder is a breakthrough machine. Real 120 ampere output current, strong input makes you fall in love with welding. More intuitive, synergically designed, this gasless welder has wire feed speed control so that you can weld smoothly and excellently by adjusting it to suit your application. You can operate it easily even though you are a welding beginner. Come with a safety feature that the welding machine is automatically protect when it at too hot or the volt and current exceeds their range. The design of the dual voltage MIG welder is compact, small, and portable. With this multi-function welding machine, you will be able to save time and money when meeting different welding needs. Safety, automatic protection function for overcurrent, overvoltage and overheating.